Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your DJI Air 2S with your controller and with your smartphone using the DJI application. Okay, so first of all you have to do is to charge these two devices. First of all, your controller, and you have to do this by using this USB-C port. So we can get a random cable, random charging brick, but also we can plug this USB-C cable and the second end, the USB-A, to your PC, laptop, and just charge it until, for example, you hit this second dot. So it will start blinking, and each dot stays for the 25%. So when you charge it to the 50%, just unplug the cable and then move forward. By the way, in the same time, you can also charge the batteries of this device. So to charge the batteries, you can basically find this additional in your package, and you can find inside your package this charger. It looks like that. So we have to put this battery just right here in this position. Take a look. And then, of course, this second end plug right here, and the last end plug to the electricity. And here you can also find the 4 indicators. Each one also stays for the 25%, so it will be good to charge it for at least 50%. And then when you do this, you can actually put this battery into your device. If you don't know how to do this, just open the app properties and then squeeze 2 buttons, lift the battery and put it just right here simply. That's very actually simple. It's easy to take it off and to put it on. And right now, what we have to do for this second part of this video will be definitely to get the application of the DJI. So when you are using this Android phone, you have to open the Play Store. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to go to the search pool and type DJI. And as you can see, in my case, the DJI application is not it doesn't appear in the Play Store. So you can go also to the browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome, but it will basically looks the same for any other browser. And you have to type the DJI app download. Go for the official DJI website. And as you can see, we have to download this application, the DJI Fly. So click once and then just simply download this APK file. So click right here. Okay, I'm out of the connection, but something is wrong with my internet connection, but right now it's just back. That's interesting, but never mind. Just download it. As you can see, it will take around 10 minutes to download in my case. So just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, and as you can see, when the download is finished, all we have to do right now is just to open this file. So in the most cases, you will be able to open it right here, but I'm unable, so let's tap on the file. Okay, I just tap on it, and right now we are going to install application from this unknown source. Let's click install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, it's finished. In my case, everything works fine, but you can get some kind of the notification about permission to install application from the unknown source. So if you have this notification, just simply accept it. And right now we can basically open this application. Okay, it looks like we are moved to this horizontal screen. Click to set all, accept all of this permission that will pop on your screen. Okay, it's some kind of the quick guide, but I'm gonna tap on the right upper corner to simply turn it off. To skip this ad, here we have enabled all these switchers. Let's leave it like that. Let's click next. I don't really want to improve the project. I'm gonna skip, not now. And as you can see, right now we are able to log in with our account. Let's try to skip it actually. Okay, we'll be unable to activate our device. So let me just log in right now. If you don't have account, you have to actually create it right now. So let's do this. Okay, so right now I just create account and I log in with my account, and here we can find some kind of the instruction. Let's click OK each time. There we go. So right now let's move to the connection guide. Let's click right here, click OK, and we have to select our device. So we are using the DJI Air 2S, this one, yeah. So we have to select our device. As you can see, we have to take out and install the controller sticks. So let's do this right now. It's actually right here. Let's twist them in this place. And this right one. There we go. So right now we simply did it. Right now we have to press the power button and press and hold it again to power on remote. So let's do this. Click and then click and hold. It's actually making this weird sound, and we have to right now plug this controller with our phone. So open this part. And we have to remove one of this cable. I'm gonna use the USB-C cable. So plug this end right here. And this end plug just right here to your phone. Okay, this sound is really annoying and I'm not sure if I can turn it off, but looks like I just cannot. Yeah, never mind. When you have this notification, accept and click OK. And select your device one more time. Right now we have to open the propels. Okay, right now it's gone. Wow, nice. My ears are bleeding right now actually. And what we have to do right now, just click on this button, click and then click and hold to power on our device. There we go. We have to also remove the gimbal protector, but I did it. It looks basically like that. Right now put it close to our device. And let's take a look what is going on right here. Okay, and as you can see, right now it's finished. Looks like we are successfully connected. Okay, let's enable also this notification, and as you can see, we are finally connected. So I know it's definitely not the perfect tutorial, because all of this sounds, it's weird that you cannot actually like they cannot put some kind of the mute button right here to click on it and get rid of that. But yeah, we are finally connected and it's actually easy. It takes some time. I don't know, it was like 10 or 15 minutes to basically connect it, but we finally did it. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you are looking for any other tutorials with this DJI Air 2S, you can definitely find them on our YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.